Okay, so we're done. We're done with this project. Um, but to further enhance it, kung gusto ninyo, you can add a sparkle on her eye. There are many ways to do that. You can even download a brush if you want. If you want to add a sparkle on her eye. But to be simple, ang gagawin ko lang, I'll make sure I have my white foreground color, and then I'm gonna create a new layer. Make sure that my brush is on the smooth, um, on the soft round brush, and then I'm just gonna put like a sparkle on her pupil. Tapos, lagyan ko pa ng isa dito sa baba, just to add more drama to it. There. See? Mas mukha siyang attractive. Or, you can go to your edited image. Remember, nandun siya sa loob ng grouped folder. Then, you can just go, well, this is up to you, okay? Hindi ko na kayo nire-require. But this is up to you if you want to enhance it even more. And then go to your, not this much, but go to your dodge tool, because it can, dodge tool, what it does is it sharpens the available colors. So, ayoko naman magdagdag ng ibang kulay, but you can also do that. But this is what I did. In-enhance ko lang yung available color. So there, this is our exercise. This is not yet a project, but this is just an exercise for your project for the first 3 weeks.